The company Sauer Polymertechnik produces plastic parts such as shampoo bottles, with over 600 employees at 3 different locations. Jungheinrich planned and constructed a 3-aisle automatic high bay warehouse for the Sauer plant in Föritz. As scheduled, the project was completed within 10 months, from constructing the first rack segment to the final acceptance. The high bay warehouse is equipped with 3 stacker cranes from the Mias Group, fitted with double deep load handling devices. The warehouse has more than 25,500 pallet locations. In the adjacent production hall, finished parts are packed into boxes and subsequently stacked on pallets. Full pallets are transferred onto the conveyor system and moved to a centering station. Following the centering, the pallet moves through the hood stretcher to the incoming goods control and a contour check, ensuring that only pallets with certain dimensions are transported further onto the automated warehouse. Afterwards, the pallet is transferred on the conveyor system to the storage line of one of the 3 aisles. Here it is picked up by the stacker crane and moved to an appropriate storage location. In this warehouse, all transport and storage processes are managed by the Jungheinrich WMS. The pallet is lifted by the stacker crane's load handling device and passed over to the conveyor system towards a pallet doubler, which stacks pallets on top of each other. A transfer shuttle then moves the double pallets to the shipping lanes.